If you've ever learned something on this channel or saved thousands doing it yourself, this is how you can become part of the garage that makes it all happen. I started channel memberships so that the people that actually use these videos can get more, and you can help me keep building bigger, crazier projects. And yeah, you get some pretty cool perks too. At the Rusty Ratchet level, you are officially in the garage. You're gonna get loyalty badges, custom emojis, members only videos, and early access. So you'll see videos before anyone else and get access to stuff I don't post publicly. Step it up to silver socket, and now you're part of the inner circle. I'm gonna do some members only shorts that you'll have access to, and some extra behind the scenes and updates. Plus, extra karma for helping the channel grow. And if you're a real one, diamond donor. I'm gonna try to give priority replies to your comments in the description, and max karma. You're directly supporting the builds, and I make sure you get noticed. If you wanna see more builds like this, get early access, exclusive content, and be part of the crew, hit the join button below, and I'll see you in the garage.